In the last video, already we discussed the introduction of coordinate system. What is that? What is the definition of a coordinate axis and x-axis, y-axis and origin and quadrant and the point in the different quadrant, general point in different quadrants also we discussed in the last video. Now in this video we are discussing about the distance between the 2 points and the area of the triangle and internal dividing point and externally dividing points. These definitions we are discussing in this video, right? Now the distance between the 2 points P x1 comma y1 Q x2 comma y2, these are 2 points in the plane. Then the distance between these 2 points is denoted by PQ bar, that means the length PQ, P2Q is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Next, you see one example on this formula. P is equals to 2 comma 3, Q is equals to 5 comma 4. What is the distance between the points? So PQ is equals to, the distance between P and Q is equals to find it now. Solution P x1 comma y1 is equals to 2 comma 3 and Q x2 comma y2 is equals to 5 comma 4. The distance between them PQ is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 5 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 4 minus 3 whole square. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3 square plus 4 minus 3 is equals to 1 square. 3 square value is 9. PQ is equals to square root of 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1. P2Q, PQ bar is equals to 9 plus 1, 10. The distance between them is square root of 10. So like this we are finding. You find this question, this is homework question for you. So find the distance between, distance between 3 comma 4, 7 comma 1. These distance you find it. You find the distance between these 2 points. Okay. Next question, next formula you see, second formula. P is equals to x1 comma y1. Q is equals to origin. That means O 0 comma 0, nothing but origin O. O point I am taking as a Q. Now O to P distance is equals to, you apply the same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, 0 minus x1. 0 minus x1 is what? Minus x1. Minus x1 whole square is equals to x1 square. So x1 square plus 0 minus y1. 0 minus y1 is minus y1. Minus y1 square is equals to y1 square. So distance from the origin to point to px1 comma y1 is square root of x1 square plus y1 square under root. This is the formula for distance between origin to point. Now you see one example. Find the distance from origin to, find the distance of the point 3 comma 4 from origin. This is the question. How you are solving this one? Here px1 comma y1 is equals to, px1 comma y1 is equals to what? This is equals to 3 comma 4. Now O to P distance is equals to what? Square root of x1 square plus y1 square. 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square value 9, 4 square value 16, 9 plus 16 is 25. Square root of 25 is equals to 5 units is the distance. So like this we are finding the distance between point to origin. Next third formula, you see, third formula, the area of the triangle form of the vertices x1 comma y1, b x2 comma y2, c x3 comma y3 is, so area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y1 plus x2 into y1 minus y2 minus y3. Here y1 minus y2 plus x3 into y2 minus y3 minus y1. So this is the distance between the area of the triangle. This is x3 into y3 minus y1, x3 into y1 minus y2 is the area of the triangle formula. This one we are using in school level only, but we have another formula, you see. So another formula. So this is equals to half modulus of determinant of the matrix x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. This one 3 cross, this is the matrix, this is the 3 cross 3 matrix. How we are expanding the 3 cross 3 matrix determinant, I will explain in the chapter matrices. Just you remember the formula. What is the formula? 1/2 into modulus of, this is called determinant. If you write in the vertical lines, this is then it is called determinants. The determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So this one formula, maximum we are using this formula only in PU level. Okay, this one in school level only we are using. Okay, if you use this one also, we are getting same value. Just you remember this formula and this one also. I will explain in the chapter matrices and determinant this one. Okay. Next, this is the area of the triangle formula. Next, fourth one, you see, if A comma B comma C, the 3 points are collinear, how we are showing the collinear, you see. Collinear, then if and only if the area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. If area of the triangle is equal to 0, then ABC are collinear. Otherwise, ABC are collinear, the area of the triangle ABC is 0. So that means this value is equal to, we are getting 0. In the same way, in matrix determinant also, this determinant value we are getting 0. If determinant value is equal to 0, then the points are collinear. So this is the condition for the collinearity. Otherwise, AB plus distance we are finding. AB plus BC is equals to CA, or AB plus AC is equals to BC, or AC plus BC is equals to AB. Then ABC are collinear. So we are using by using the distance formula, we can do the collinearity. By using the area of the triangle, we can prove the collinearity. Otherwise, by using the determinant also, we are proving the collinearity. By using the slopes of the points also, we can prove the collinearity conditions. So you remember this one. Okay, this one condition. These are the conditions for the collinearity. What is the definition of collinear? Two or more points lies on the same line. If the points are lies on the same line, then the points are called collinear points. Then the points are called what? Collinear points. Okay. Due to this, from 3 days onwards, so here heavy rains is there, so that some video sometimes the video is not clear. So just if you have any doubts, you call me. So this video is not good today. From 2 days onwards, here heavy rains is there.